Okay, hello everybody. If you have clicked on this video, you are wondering, why is audio king? Why is that the most important part of your content? And I'm just here to do a very quick review and demonstration about why audio is so important. In case you haven't noticed, the content world has gotten very, very casual. You see people filming in their cars, in their homes, in their bathrooms. There's very little care, for the most part, given to the way that things look. As long as things are well lit, as long as you can see what you need to see, we're pretty much happy. It could be shaky, it could be blurry, it could be, the coloring could be weird, that doesn't really matter. But if something sounds bad, like if there's a bunch of buzzing in the background, if it's a little pitchy, if it's too quiet, if it's too loud, if the mic is peaking, you're probably going to click off the video really quickly. You're probably not going to engage with that content. And this is because audio is deeply and very personally human. We get a ton of information from what we hear. There's a ton of context that's derived from the things that come in only through our ears. So it stands to reason, if you have bad audio, then you most likely have bad content. Now, I only say that because if somebody does not like the way it sounds, they're not going to watch it and see what you say. So I wanted to talk about this today because I was sent this new idea of a mic from BOYA, and I've never used a BOYA mic before. This is called the BOYA Magic, and it's what I'm talking on right now. And you might be wondering, okay, what does this mean? The reason why I wanted to do a review of this mic is because of how versatile it is. This might just look like a normal mic to you. This is pretty traditional in the audio space, but if I remove this windscreen, there's actually a lot more going on under the hood. You can see right here that we've got this clear window, and if I open this clear window, we actually have space for two mics. You can see the second one right here. The first one, I'm actually wearing on my shirt right now. Now, this is a really interesting idea for a creator's wireless mic set. I've plugged the receiver into my camera, which is why the audio sounds good right now. And if I want to, I can put the second mic on another subject or another person I'm talking to, and all of a sudden I have a ton of flexibility and creativity that I don't have with most mic sets. And also, everything that I'm showing you right here, the mic case that charges and syncs the mics together, this wind cover, this carrying case, another fuzzy windscreen, the dead cats for the individual mics, all of the cables that you would need to connect this to any device you're using, a receiver for a traditional camera, and a different receiver for iPhones that use Lightning. All of this is included with this mic. The reason why I think that this mic is such a good deal, and I wanted to highlight it here, is because audio is so important. Because if I wasn't using this mic right now, and I was using the mic that was built into my camera or into my phone, this is what the audio would sound like. You have a much harder time understanding me and understanding the context because everything else is so overwhelming and loud, and it makes your brain work a lot harder to focus on what I'm actually doing or saying. So when I switch back to the good sounding mic, look at how much better you feel. Look at how much easier it is for your brain to figure out exactly what's going on and focus on what I'm actually delivering to you. These mics also have AI noise cancellation built in, and right now I'm using the lower version. There's two different modes. There's low and there's high, and obviously on the high end, you're going to cut out a lot around you, but you're not going to sound as natural. Having good audio quality isn't even something that is important to content creators like myself. It matters if you are getting on a phone call with somebody. It matters if you're doing a presentation, if you're on a Zoom call, if you're in an important work meeting. Having audio issues and not being able to hear people is something that is so easily fixed with a kit like this that I think that it's something that everybody should have at this point. To demonstrate how important it is to have good audio and how also to have equipment that is really easy to use and really flexible, I'm actually going to take you guys on a walk around the hill country, and we'll compare the differences between the built-in mic and a dedicated mic like this one. Okay, so I want to show you something pretty, and it is literally so hot outside, so let's go find some shade. And I can tell you guys actually about a really exciting announcement that I've kind of teased at before, but I've also never given you any detail. And some people might know and some people don't, but I've been working on a really exciting project. So actually, I'm going to find a place to set y'all down and I'm going to tell you all about it. Okay, I think we're good here. I think we're comfy. So I actually have a bunch of details to tell you guys about my next new endeavor. So I'm gonna do a loop. Okay, so I have been kind of secretly, not so secretly, working on a podcast for the last year and a half. I have figured it all out. I got the social channels, I'm doing the branding, and I'm really excited to show you guys. It's completely different than anything I've done before. It is very different from this YouTube channel, but I really think that you guys are gonna like it, and I can't wait to share it with you. And yeah, there's the big announcement. Yeah. See why having a standalone mic is important? See why having good quality audio is important? Let me tell you what I'm actually doing. Okay, so I have been secretly, not so secretly, working on a podcast for the last year. And I've made a couple of hints to it, but I haven't given any detail. And I'm ready to give you a little bit more detail. So I'm actually really excited about this podcast. It's going to be very different than what you expect from me on YouTube here. It's not going to be about tech. It's not going to be about reviews and products specifically. I'm actually going to be interviewing a bunch of people about the stuff that they actually care about. The idea is there's so much to care about in the world. There's so much that we should be interested in. There's so many shows we should watch. There's so many apps we should download. And when you just get through all the noise, I just want to talk to people about why we should care about their specific thing, and they can plead their case and have a conversation with me, and we can get down to the bottom of it, because it is not up for me to decide. It is up for you to decide. So I am about to actually start filming. I don't know why I haven't. I've had this idea for basically 2 years. I have all the social channels, but there's something so vulnerable and unique about creating something like a podcast, because unlike a YouTube channel where content and the reviews and the tech is probably why you are here, when you do a podcast, it has to be me and my personality that is the reason why you come. It's the reason why the show stands up. It's the reason why it's interesting. And there's just a lot more that goes into that. It's been a very interesting experience because I've not felt quite ready to produce it and publish it for the world, but I feel now more ready than I ever have, and I'm very excited to jump head first. So I will actually be traveling in a couple of weeks to interview a ton of people, and you will be seeing episodes faster than you know it. And also, these mics are actually going to make a big difference. This is going to make production way easier, and I love knowing that I'm going to have really good audio. So we got a twofer. We got a product review, and we've got a big vague piece of news. I bet you're happy you could hear that, right? Please tell me you're excited. Oh my God. Please join me in this next chapter of my, my online presence, which obviously I will have actual specifics, details, and dates and links and everything for you guys to keep up to date. So if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, if you're excited, sound off in the comments. Let me know. I want to get a little bit of feedback in this very lonely experience of creating content by myself. Oh God, people just caught me filming myself, and I thought in the hill country I was safe. But no, I can still embarrass myself in a community of 100 people. So that feels good. Okay, so there it is. There is my BOYA Magic Mic review. Love this thing. Think it's a really good deal. There's the big announcement. There's my big surprise. Some of you might know, some of you don't. Hopefully you guys join me on this next part of my journey. I'm still gonna be making YouTube videos. I actually have a lot of ideas for videos. So to be honest, you'll probably see even more content from me than normal. If you have any video ideas, please leave them in the comments below. I love seeing you guys there. It makes all of this so worth it. And of course, if you have any specific technical questions, I'm always happy to answer. So with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.